So, easy way graded benefit whole life insurance from Mutual of Omaha. These go out in the mail all the time. I get constant questions about these. This is actually from a family member, and they said, hey, can you look into this? This looks like a really good deal, and all I got to do is send in some money and I'm approved. First, let me say Mutual of Omaha is a great company. I use them all the time. Seniors, term life insurance, Term Express, return of premium. I mean, they've been around forever. They're definitely my top 10. But these, you have to read the details on them because yes, they are easy and all you have to do is basically choose what you want, send in a check and you're covered. I mean, they give you the premium amounts and everything right here. But here's where these get very tricky. Graded death benefit means 2-year wait period. If you flip to the back page, right here on the back, right under where the quotes are, you'll see easy way life insurance in a nutshell. Guaranteed acceptance. I have a video on that. Guaranteed issue, guaranteed acceptance. The price never goes up, which is actually great because guaranteed acceptance with other companies, the price goes up every 5 years, which you don't want. So right here on the back, you'll see how we're able to guarantee acceptance without asking a single health question. The policy includes a graded death benefit during the first 2 years if you die from natural causes other than accidental. So you get this plan and you pass away in the first 1.5 years, not quite 2 years. If you pass away from anything health related, it doesn't pay out the $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 that you want. It's going to repay all the premiums that you had put into it and give them back to your beneficiary. So if you put $2,000 into this thing over the last 1.5 years, they're gonna give your beneficiary the $2,000 plus 10%. Nobody loses, they're not keeping your money. But if you died in a car accident, that's not your health. That is not health related at all. So that's where these get a little bit tricky. So if you pass away from a heart attack, stroke, cancer, or whatever it might be, not going to pay out. As soon as you hit that 24-month period though, the day after that first premium that came out, it pays out and the price never goes up. So accidental death, okay, because that has nothing, I mean, you can't control that. That has nothing to do with your health. But you just got to be careful with these. So many people think, well, if I send in, my $100 a month and I got my policy in the mail and they put it in the freezer or whatever it is. I hear people put their policies in the freezer, but they put it away. They never look at it again. And then if they pass away, the family is stuck in a mess. They think they have $20,000 coming for a funeral and they don't. So now they're pulling credit cards and whatever it might be. It can be a huge mess. Now, these are good for people who cannot get accepted anywhere, which will usually be, if you've had cancer in the last 2 years or any type of treatment in the past 2 years, most companies are going to say no. If you've had a stroke, a heart attack, congested heart failure, no company is going to give you day one level coverage because it's just too high risk for them. So graded policies are good, for people that are like, listen, I had a heart attack, a year ago, but I'm super healthy. My diet's changed. I got a new job or I'm not working my stressful job anymore. I got 30 more years in me. Then get one of these. And then after that 1.5 years or, after that 2-year policy wait period, switch to, use Mutual of Omaha, switch back because these are also more expensive than a traditional level policy. These are going to be 30 to 50% more expensive because it's still high risk to the company. They know nothing about you. They don't know anything about your health. They don't know who you are, if you take care of yourself. So if you can't get approved, these are good. After that, I've had people that literally call me back 2 years later and say, hey, it's past the 2-year mark. Let me see if I can requalify. I've lost some weight. I feel good. I'm not smoking anymore. We go and get them a $30,000 policy, saves them $30, $40 a month. And if you are in good health, you can get approved the same day or instant approval once they run like your social security number into the system while I'm doing your application. They can tell us right there if you're approved. So it's not a scam. There's nothing wrong with these, but if you are in good health, you gotta be careful with the Mutual of Omaha or any company's graded guarantee issue plan. At least Mutual of Omaha is a good plan that if you are locked in and your health never does change and doesn't get better, at least the premium never goes up and they're a solid company. So I hope this video helped. I know it's a lot of information at once. So if you do have any questions, want to just schedule like a quick chat or even run your own quotes, down in the section below, it should say more somewhere right around here. If you're on YouTube, click more. In the description below me, there will be 2 links, one for the website quoter and one for a calendar link if you just have any random questions or want to see what you may qualify for, you know, if you did have congested heart failure or uncontrolled diabetes, whatever it might be. So we can definitely run you some quotes, find you some good coverage. I hope this helped. I'll see you on the next one.